Hi everyone and welcome to Valentina's Simply Good Food. Today we are going to make a super creamy chocolate pudding ice cream puffs. For this recipe I am using 3 deciliters of milk, 1 bag that is 60 grams of instant pudding powder, 2.5 deciliter of heavy cream, powdered sugar that I am adding according to need. Additionally, I am going to enhance the chocolate flavor with 100 grams of chocolate and 1 deciliter of heavy cream. Pour the instant pudding powder in a deeper bowl and add 3 deciliters of milk. Start whisking it until the milk and the powder combines. Then you can proceed with a mixer and beat it until you get a stiff pudding cream. In a separate bowl, beat the heavy cream. I'm using real cream that is not sweetened, so I'm beating it until it only rises, and then I'm adding powdered sugar. Be careful not to overbeat the heavy cream since it could split. Melt the chocolate on a low heat or in a double boiler on steam. Add the heavy cream and mix it well until it completely combines and you'll get a nice creamy chocolate ganache. Add the chocolate ganache to the chocolate pudding. Combine it well and then, lastly, add the beaten heavy cream. As you can see, my heavy cream is not stiff at all, but in the end it will all come together nicely. Finally, try your pudding cream and if needed add more powdered sugar. With an additional tablespoon of powdered sugar, my cream became just perfect. Fill the ice cream pop molds with the prepared chocolate cream, or you can use a smaller plastic glasses, or if you don't have either, simply pour it in a bigger plastic container and freeze it like that. When filling the pop molds, be sure that there are no air pockets left, since you don't want them in your ice cream. These rich in flavor ice cream puffs were a total hit, although I couldn't manage to freeze the whole batch of cream. Some of it disappeared even before reaching the freezer. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button for me, share it with your friends, and if you are new here, subscribe with the bell and never miss any of my simply delicious recipes.